everyone! Welcome to Dudu TV! Learn good manners with fun! Yay! Morning is here!
Dudu, first wash your hands and brush your teeth before going out.
Okay, Mommy.
Well done, Dudu! Now you're ready for a great day.
Assalam-o-Alaikum, Auntie.
Wa-alaikum assalam, Leo beta. Come inside.
That was still playing with that. Hey, I was still playing with that. Okay, let's race our cars. Huh?
Dudu, you should ask first. Say, may I please play with your car, Leo?
Leo, may I please play with your car? Thank you, Leo, for sharing your car. You're welcome, Dudu.
Dudu, please clean up your toys and put them back in their place. Well done, Dudu. You used good manners today.
Thank you for watching. Learn good manners with fun. Please join us every week